Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you extra time, purchase this and pick your favorite player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game. Still confused how you can chance the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open this extra time feature. So in this extra time feature, you can purchase a one of your favorite players. So you can claim this and pick your favorite players. So this is the free, and this is the daily picks. You can top up your game, and also top 50 market. You can use a 6,000 of market pick tokens can be earned from the exchange and spent on this extra time daily picks. Here, if you're lucky, you can get one of this player. And the last one is a top 500. So you can get this player with only 1,200 of market pick token. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.